friends, welcome to Edpolity Praxis. We are very much excited to have you here. चलिए आगे इस वीडियो में हम देखते हैं What are the things you can expect from us? Our goal is to provide you with high quality content जो कि आपको मदद करेगा आपके एग्ज़ाम प्रिपरेशन में and also what are the recent developments which are relevant today and highly needed for your examination. So guys, unlock your potential in political science with Edpolity Praxis. Now we'll see some benefits of subscribing this channel particularly.
It allows you to access wide range of opportunities to prepare for different competitive examinations like Common University Entrance Test, UG as well as PG, and exams that require complete understanding of political science like UGC NET, Political Science and International Relations Optional for UPSC will be simplified and make you exam ready. And to make your preparation fun and interactive, we are going to discuss all the current affairs related to political science like government policies, international events, geopolitical happenings, etc. And the fundamental point of establishing this channel is to make your preparation easy. So, we are going to give you tricks to remember complex topics and facts simply by unforgettable tricks which are easily consumable.
Yes, why not we starts from now? तो चलिए एक ज़बरदस्त शुरुआत करते हैं एक इम्पॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन से जो कि हाईली रिलेवेंट है कई एग्ज़ाम्स के लिए जैसे कि UGC NET. आपको पता होगा अभी कैसा ट्रेंडिंग चल रहा है. 90% क्वेश्चंस आर कमिंग फ्रॉम फैक्ट्स, ओनली फैक्चुअल, राइट? So the very first question is on your screen now. Between the past and future जो कि एक बुक है और आपको बताना है इसके लेखक का नाम. ऑप्शन ए हेगेल, ऑप्शन बी हैना अरेंट, ऑप्शन सी लेनिन एंड ऑप्शन डी इज कार्ल मार्क्स. आपको सही आंसर बताना है कमेंट बॉक्स पर. Not only answer, if you know any other book of the same author or related information, don't forget to share with us. जिसका भी explanation best होगा, we'll give hearts and also bring that comment on our next video. आप शायद सोच रहे होंगे इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर कैसे पता चले. अगर ये सोच रहे हो तो वेरी गुड. तो जाइए डिस्क्रिप्शन पे डला हुआ है लिंक, प्रेस कीजिए एंड सी द सॉल्यूशन विद फ्यू अदर बुक्स इन क्रोनोलॉजिकल ऑर्डर एंड ऑल्सो यू कैन रिमेंबर दोज easily with a curated story. At last, once again, we welcome you along with us to this Edpolity Praxis family to learn and grow together. So be a part of it and like, share and subscribe. And also don't forget to hit the notification. You will be the first updated person on our latest videos. Thanks for watching.